Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are going to unbox this. This is AllStars. This is AllStar MVP quick code 3-button garage remote. It is on 318 megahertz. Model number is 190-110925. And this is like a grayish color. I got this off eBay for $15.77, free shipping. And then the total with the tax is $17.15. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with this white cardboard box, and this is linear. That's the barcode. Product number right there. Quantity 1. Frequency is 318. And this is made in China. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with this metal clip. What you need to do is just clip this on the back. There are two of the clip right there, the teeth. So once you clip it on, it's going to hold down with those two wiring on the side. If I could push it through, let's see. All right, there you go. Make sure there's two metal wire is sitting or pass through those clips. And I come with the instruction right here. So this allows you to have 8 to 9-digit code. So to put the transmitter in programming mode, first press and hold the positive button. The red light will turn on. Next, while continue to hold the positive button, press and hold the negative button. Continue to hold both buttons until the LED starts to blink approximately 5 seconds. Then you're going to release both of the button while the LED is blinking. The LED will blink 2 times and then remain on to confirm you are in the programming mode. So select the button you wish to use. While the LED is on, press button you wish to use. The LED will blink off once and then remain on. And then you're going to enter the 9-digit code. Enter the 9-digit code from the table by pressing the button that correspond with the entries in the table. You're going to confirm the entry. After the 9-digit code is entered, the LED will blink twice to confirm a valid code and remains off. Program the remaining button. Repeat the process for the remaining buttons. So it says if the LED goes out, the programming mode has timed out and you will need to start over. So this code you will need to obtain from your garage receiver or your gate receiver. Yeah, you can get a code from your old transmitter or the remote to copy the code into here. So if yours has an 8-digit code, the ninth digit, you will just enter the plus. And here's how to replace the battery and stuff like that. It uses a CR2032 3-volt battery. So you require 2 of them. So let's do a test real quick in case you want to press a plus sign and then a minus. It's going to blink. And then after that, count 5 seconds. Let go. And you're going to remain on. Select the button which is you desire. So as you can see, if you wait too long, then the LED goes out. That means you need to start over again. Alright, so let's start one more time. Press the plus sign, and then after that, you're going to press the negative and hold it, and it's going to flash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You let go. So you blink twice. So if you have 8-digit code, you need to press the plus sign. Now you're going to do minus, minus, plus, 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 minus, minus, and then plus for the 9th digit. And it's going to blink and then goes off. That means you finish programming. So we're going to go out there and then test out the button. I think if you have an 8-digit code, the circle button might be the default button. Alright, so we're going to test out right now to see if it works. Okay, so now it works. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.